Okay, good morning students. How are you? Okay, yesterday have you completed yesterday homework? Okay. Some of the students they only did a page number 39. They did not give the answer, and somebody only gave the answer but did not do the page number 39. Okay students, anyway we will continue our study. Yesterday we are continuing our study that lesson 5, food we eat. Okay, so yesterday we saw the different types of food and what types of food we eat and what type of food we should eat, and also we studied what is the source of our food. Okay, so and then some food we get from animals and some food we get from plants. Okay, so today we are going to see the food that the way we eat. Okay, so let's see students, raw and cooked food. Okay, so today we will study about the raw and cooked food. Okay, some food items can be eaten raw. Look at this picture. There are some food items that can be eaten raw. You don't have to cook it. Okay, like a tomato, cucumber, radish. Okay, these are the food items that you don't have to you don't have to cook. Okay, and also students, there are some food items need to be cooked. Okay, before eating there are some food that we need to cooked, like examples are pulses, lady's finger and potato. Okay, there are some food items that we need to cook, so without cook we cannot eat. Okay, so which food we have to cook, that food items is called cooked food, and which food items that we don't have to cook, without cook we can eat, that food items is called raw food. Okay, now let's see students the picture. Now you can see the picture. Now let's go to the next one. Some food items can be eaten either raw or cooked. Okay, there are some foods items are there like cabbage, onion, carrot. Okay, so there are some food that you don't have to you can eat without cook, or you can eat with cooked. Okay, so there are some food we eat all the foods in the three ways. Some food we eat raw, some food we eat cooked, and some food we can eat both, whether cooked or not. Okay, students, do you understand up to here? Again once more, the some food items can eaten raw, some food items need to cook before we eating, and some food items can be eaten either raw or cooked. Okay, so these are the three ways that we take our food. Now let's go to the students. Meals we eat. We eat 3 meals in a day. Okay, we eat 3 meals in a day. Now look at here, the main meals that we eat, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, what are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, we eat breakfast in the morning. Okay students, we eat breakfast in the morning, then we eat lunch in the afternoon. Okay, we eat lunch in the afternoon, and we eat dinner at night. Okay, so these are the 3 main meals that we take in a day. Okay students, now let's go to the being wise. Okay, be thankful to the food you eat. Do not waste food. Take food in a small amount. Okay students, we have to be thankful that food we eat. We know there are many people still they don't have food. Okay, they don't get food, so we have to be thankful for food that we eat. Okay, and do not waste food. We should not have to waste. I know many of you waste your food. Okay, so don't waste your food. Okay, if otherwise if you waste, then I will tell your mom to beat you. Okay, your mom will punish you. Okay, so don't waste your food. Okay, and also take food in a small amounts. Don't take a big amount. Okay, as much as you can take, that much only. If you take always small amount, if you want more, then you can add it. Okay, so don't take in a much food. Okay, so a special food is called there are some special food cooked during the festival. Okay, there are many others. Any foods are there which we cooked during the festival only. Okay, like sevai. Okay, that is mistake. It is written vevai. Okay, this is not vevai. It is sevai. A special sweet dish is prepared on Eid. Okay, sevai, a special sweet dish is prepared on Eid. Okay, and then the gujia, a special sweet is prepared on Holi, and gujia is the special sweet that is prepared in Holi. So there are some food also, some food items which is prepared in a special occasion or special festivals. Okay, students. Okay, now we will continue and we will go to the healthy eating habits. Okay, students, it is very important we should have the healthy eating habits. Okay, if we don't have healthy eating habits, students, then we may hurt our body. Okay, let us read about some eating habits of Manaz and Rakhi. Okay, so Manaz and Rakhi have some eating habits. Let's see them. We always eat food at the right time. Okay, it's most very important. Manna and Rakhi, they always take their foods in the right time. Morning 8 o'clock breakfast means 8 o'clock. Not 9 o'clock, not 7 o'clock. It's the right time. We have to be, we should have that habit to take a food in a right times. Okay. Then the second one, how the mannas and the rakhi they do. We wash our hand before and after meals. Wow, they have what a good eating habits, na? See, they wash. They are saying we wash our hand before and after meals. Yes, we also have to follow like a mannas and rakhi. Okay, as they are following the healthy eating habits. Okay, now next, go to the next one. We chew our food slowly. Wow, it's a very good. We chew our food slowly. We have to chew our food slowly. We don't have to rush for eating. Okay, don't eat your food by standing. Okay, you must sit in a right place and then eat slowly. Don't go rush. Okay, and now the fourth one, what they do, we eat fresh and clean food. Wow, they don't eat that unfresh, they don't eat that unclean. Okay, they always take a fresh and clean food. Yes, students, we also have to follow like a mannas and rakhi. Okay, they are following very good eating habit. Okay, now students, let's go what they follow. The next one, we do not overeat. Wow, they do not overeat. So mannas and rakhi, they do not eat overeat. So students, we also have to follow the same thing. Okay, we don't have to overeat. Okay, now let's see what the next they follow. Okay, we eat lots of fruits and green vegetables. Okay, students, here they eat lots of fruits and vegetable. I know most of you don't eat fruits, most of you don't eat vegetables. Students, we have to eat fruits and green vegetables. It's so important. Okay, so when will you become go to class 2, then you will learn more about the fruits and green vegetables. Okay, students, now let's see what the mannas and rakhi they follow. The next one. Okay, next one, we eat all the food that we take on our plate. Wow, what a good habit they have. See children, how the mannas and rakhi have the good eating, healthy eating habits. See, we eat all the food that we take on our plate. Yes, they finish their food what they have taken in their plate. Okay, students, so you also have to make that habit. You should not waste your food. Okay, so we have to eat. We have to finish all the food that we take in our plate. So they have wonderful eating habits. Okay, then see the last one. We drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Yes, student, it's most important. Okay, we drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. They drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. Yes, and it is a good habit. Okay, students, it's a good healthy eating habit, so you have to also do the same. Okay, students, so these are the healthy eating habits which Mannaz and Rakhi follow. So I would like to request all of you that you also have to follow the good healthy eating habits. Okay, students, now let's go for the quickly once more. We have finished our this lesson. Okay, once more we just quickly once more. Okay, food gives us energy to work and play. Okay, students, we have already covered that why we should eat the food. The food gives us energy to work and play, and then it make us healthy and strong. Yes, why we need to take a food? Because we need to take a food to get energy to work, or it makes us our body healthy and strong. We get food from plants and animals. Yes, we have a main two source that from where our food comes, and that are the plants and animals. Okay, we eat 3 meals in a day. Yes, students, we eat 3 meals in a day, and that are breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, we should follow healthy eating habit. Yes, students, we have to follow eating habits. Okay, so if we don't follow healthy eating habits, then we might harm our body. Okay, students, now let's see, this is your homework for today. Okay, now your homework is page number 44 and 45. Your homework is page number 44 and 45. Okay, students, this one you have to do your homework. You have to complete it in your book. This is not in your copy. This one you have to do in your book, page number 44, and the page number 55 you have to do it in your copy. Okay, number D only you have to do in your copy, and the rest of the question and answer you have to do it in your book. Okay, only the question answer you have to do in your copy. Okay, students. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye bye.